안녕. We are the Chicky Body. I'm Sesha. And I'm Nico. Wow. And welcome to our YouTube channel.
This is our short video.
Oo nga, pang-apat na video na po namin to. Ang ganda ng mga boss nyo.
Yes,
Pang-apat.
Thank you very much to my students, to my friends, to our subscribers. And if you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe now. Just click on the notification.
Yes, we are very thankful because this is our fourth video. And yes, and for today we have our special guest again from Vietnam.
Hi, hello. Before anything else, I would like to greet my friends and students and subscribers in Japan. Hajimemashite.
Hajimemashite.
Watashi no namae wa Chi desu. Onegaishimasu.
Watashi wa Miko sensei.
私は先生だよ。私は先生、Cindy。
Ito, watashi no Eugene, Eugene Gakusei Kodoku-san no minasan.
の皆さん、
Mada kodoku shite inai kata o mite kurete iru minasan. Hontou ni arigatou gozaimashita.
Arigatou gozaimashita.
Ima isugu kodoku shite kudasai.
Ano?
Kodoku botan mo. Click shite. Shino. Oshite kudasai.
Hashite kudasai.
Kodoku shite kudasai. Yeah.
Yes.
Kodoku suru koto o wasurenai de.
Oh. What is it?
Yeah.
Tapos ka na?
Korean na.
Tapos ka na? Tapos ka na?
Desembo desu. Domo arigatou gozaimashita.
Domo arigatou gozaimashita.
Ito.
Korean. 학생 돌과 구독까지 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
아직
감사합니다.
아직 구독하기 않은 경우 구독 버튼을 클릭하여 새 버튼을 업데이트하십시오. Thank you.
Thank you very much to our subscriber.
감사합니다.
last. 감사합니다. 다음 영상에서 시겠습니다.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
And subscribe our fourth video, guys.
Yes.
Don't forget to watch, alright?
And now we have our topic for today. Our topic for today
Our
is
new topic is about
small talk. Anyway, what is a small talk?
Example.
Also,
So
what are the
can you,
examples?
for example, so hey, how are you? My name is Chi.
And my name is Adrian. How are you today?
Yeah, how's the weather today?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's so hot today. Oh my God.
So I'm an audience.
fine. I like the
Yeah.
weather.
Yeah, me too. I like the weather.
I love the place.
Can you see the weather at your
I
back?
like the weather
Yeah.
today. The weather is so good. It's so
Yeah.
hot.
Can you see her?
Yeah. We are here again in Marikina City.
Marikina City.
Yes.
Anyway, let's go to now our content for today. Our topic is
Yes.
small talk. So why it is very important?
Yeah, small talk, especially in a party or social gathering, and you want to you are alone, you want to say something, want to talk to someone, so you start with a small talk.
Yes.
So you start small
Like a
talk,
small,
like you can talk about the weather, you can talk about the food, you can talk about the work or sports or any common interest that you have.
Yes. And what
It's all
about you,
about the
Cindy?
small conversation that we can
Yes.
say, hi, hello, that you can start your small.
Yes, because it's
Not
very important. Because some
Very-
some people are afraid to talk with each other, and then they are afraid to talk because they didn't insert their kind of expressions like that. So it's very important that you must have a conversation or a little, so you can
Yes.
start with your friends
Yes.
and communicate.
Yeah.
Yeah, in idioms we call it break the ice.
Yes.
Yes. Break it down. Break it down.
Yeah, so,
Yes.
but sometimes in a conversation, just a small talk, so unimportant. So sometimes we have to avoid some questions like personal questions. Okay, so
Correct.
personal
Right.
questions like, for example, age, address, phone number. So yeah, I think we have to avoid that. Okay.
Okay. What about you,
Yes.
Erilyn?
So
Do
in
you
my
have
own
anything?
opinion, small talk is the best start for you to have your friends or to make friends, to understand people and their culture and to have and to make good relationships.
And this is like a casual conversation only, like
Yes,
with
it's
you.
casual. It's not
Yes.
important. And
And
what matters.
like this. So please watch this, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Anyway, how are you?
Yes, I'm really good, really excited to make conversation with you guys.
Wow. We are very
We're very excited
pleased and
too.
excited too.
Okay, so how
Yeah.
are you doing today?
Today I don't do anything, just stay home and sleep.
Really?
You love to
Yes,
you love to sleep.
So, all right.
yes,
So, you're ready for our question, okay? So, the
yes,
question number
okay.
one. Yes.
Okay, the question number one is what is your favorite thing to do on the weekend?
On the weekend, is the best thing I will do is sleep.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's good.
No, it's not good.
Why? I think it's really good. We have our week is really tired.
Yeah.
I know because before you're always tired.
Yes,
Very hard. Studying English very hard.
yeah, right. Studying like very hard, very tired.
How about going out with your friends on the weekend?
Yes, maybe, but after I sleep enough, I will go somewhere with my friends.
Yeah, you have to sleep first before you meet your friends. And don't forget to
Yeah,
eat.
yes, right. I will sleep and
Any
eat
follow-up
so I
question?
have full energy.
Yes, we need more energy
Oh.
for that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
to do
Okay,
something.
question.
Yes.
Question, okay?
Okay, second
Okay.
question, okay, Rosie.
If you could fly anywhere for free, where would you go?
All I just choose only place. I I want go if free. I want go around the world.
Wow.
How about Philippines?
Yes, of course. I miss Philippines very much.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes, of
because
course.
it's a long story about beautiful island. So I really want to go there. And the last time in Philippines, I cannot say goodbye with my teachers. So I really want to go to Philippines.
Yes. We're very,
Very
we
sad.
really missed you a lot.
Yes, me too.
Yeah. Okay. Yes.
So now for the third question
Yeah.
is, are there any foods that you absolutely would not eat?
I think
Oh, yeah.
I can eat everything.
I really.
Yeah,
You ate balot already? Balot.
yes. I also
Oh,
because
really?
yeah, I try. Yeah, because uh in Vietnam we also have ballot.
Ah.
Yeah, so
Even
like
small chick, you eat small chick?
Of
This
course.
yeah, yes, right.
Oh.
Oh.
I think for
You're so strong.
But
yeah,
but how about street food in Vietnam? Of course, because I asked you about foods that you don't want to eat. what about the most favorite food that you want to eat in like street food in Vietnam?
Yeah,
Vietnam.
what's food?
Yeah, street food.
Yes, we have a lot delicious sweet food, but I think the best I like is the bánh mì.
Ah,
Did you
Van
know?
Oh, I know
Mi.
Yeah,
Bambi.
yeah, right.
Yeah,
Uh,
what is Van Mi?
it's like bread and with egg and meat and vegetable and delicious
Mm,
sauce.
okay. Okay,
Ah,
thank you very
Banh Mi.
much.
They're very famous in Vietnam.
Yeah.
Banh Mi. I've eaten
Or
Vietnam already. In
ah,
Banh Mi.
Vietnam.
Oh my God, I will eat Vietnam. I will eat. I've eaten banh mi already.
Yes, me
It
too.
was really delicious.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I have eaten, but it's expensive here in the Philippines. So I think
Oh,
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
never
it's
tried bánh mì in Philippines, so I don't know.
it's
But
very delicious too.
if
think that's
I
the
come
thing.
Philippines, maybe I will bring some bánh mì for you guys.
Ah.
Okay, we will wait for you.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
next for the fourth
For the
question.
fourth question, Rosie, you ready? My
Yes,
question.
I'm
What's the
ready.
weirdest thing you have ever eaten?
Oh,
I
the weirdest.
uh, durian eat, but maybe some foreigner is really feel it is not good. Do you guys know durian?
Ah, is it in Vietnam?
Yeah, fruit in Vietnam.
Ah, fruit.
Fruit.
Mm,
Ah.
dragon
Durian.
fruit.
Durian, yeah.
Rosie, I don't like
I like
durian.
durian.
Oh,
I
really,
like
really?
it. I like it.
Yeah,
I like
I know
it.
durian.
yeah. Oh my God. Yeah,
Yeah,
I
teacher,
also
I
want.
don't like the smell.
I like it. It's very nutritious.
Yes, right. The first time I feel the smell is not good.
Yeah, but I only eat durian candy.
Oh, really?
Yes. But in Vietnam, it's so popular, right? Durian is so
Uh,
popular in
yeah,
Vietnam.
yeah, it's really popular. But
Yeah,
some
No.
people is I think some people feel don't like it.
Is it expensive
Mm,
in Vietnam?
Yeah, yeah, it is expensive in Vietnam.
oh, really?
But we have a durian also here in the Philippines and even in Vietnam.
mm-mm.
Oh,
Mm.
And
yeah.
but I don't eat
Yeah.
still.
So did
Why?
you eat?
I don't like. We don't
Oh,
like the smell.
When was the last time you ate durian? When was the last time you ate durian?
maybe it's too long because it is delicious, but it is expensive in here. So I think 2 months I don't eat durian. So I now I feel it's really want to eat.
Ah, I saw Hedy
Oh yeah,
last
yeah,
week.
right.
She was eating durian.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
also
She
right.
loves
love
it.
durian.
Yeah, yeah.
It's
Yes.
very
I love.
good. Wow. Going to do a challenge together, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it is really good. Not challenge.
I will join because I haven't eaten durian. Yeah, I
Yeah.
will join the
Yeah,
challenge.
yes.
Well, anyway.
Anyway, so that's it for the question. Okay, maybe you have a
Yes.
question for us?
I have a question for you guys. How you guys come up with the name Chucky PD?
Chicky
Chicky
buddy. Chicky
buddy.
buddy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I really curious.
I will answer your question because
With
I made the cheeky bodies. The cheeky, yeah, cheeky means um make to laugh with somebody, but this is only a joke, teasing.
Teasing,
Yeah, but this is only a
Ah.
joke. Because all of us are like that. We're funny. We're
Ah.
jokes. So that's
Yeah.
why we came up with the cheeky buddies.
So we are
Yeah.
looking.
We are very happy to meet you once again.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
me too.
Rosie, we're very pleased and then we're very thankful that you participate and be our second
Yes.
guest,
Second
right?
guest.
Second
Yeah.
guest.
Yeah, à, hãy theo dõi hãy theo dõi và xem những video um, của Jackie Breeze vì nó rất là hữu hữu ích. Please watch and follow Jackie Breeze.
Thank you, Rosie.
Thank you
Beautiful
very much,
Rosie.
Thank you very much,
okay?
Rosie.
Yeah. Stay safe and healthy, Rosie. Okay.
Stay beautiful, okay?
Yeah. Stay
Yeah,
beautiful and
thank
sexy.
you. Yeah.
We
Yeah.
will see you.
We're looking forward for more photos for your
More
FB,
photos,
okay?
yes.
Yeah.
Sleep more, Rosie.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Meet you guys so much.
Bye.
Bye. See you